Home insurance is like a shield that protects your property and belongings from unexpected risks. It offers you financial security and peace of mind, knowing that you're covered in case of unforeseen events. There are several types of coverage within a standard home insurance policy. Number 1. Dwelling coverage. This type of coverage ensures the physical structure of your home against perils such as fire, vandalism, or severe weather. It ensures that if the worst were to happen, your home can be repaired or rebuilt. Number 2. Personal property coverage. This covers your belongings such as furniture, electronics, and clothing in case they're damaged or stolen. Imagine the relief of knowing that even if your possessions are lost, you can replace them without breaking the bank. Number 3. Liability coverage. Home insurance also provides liability coverage. Accidents can happen, and if someone is injured on your property, you could be held legally responsible. Liability coverage helps protect you financially in case of lawsuits or medical expenses resulting from such incidents. Number 4. Living expenses coverage. If your home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered peril, this coverage helps with temporary living arrangements such as hotel stays or rental costs until your home is restored. It's comforting to know that you won't be left stranded if your home is temporarily unlivable. Now that you understand the basics, it's essential to tailor your policy to your specific needs. Some insurance companies offer additional endorsements or riders that you can add to your policy. These could include coverage for expensive jewelry, fine arts, or even identity theft protection. Make sure to discuss these options with your insurance provider to ensure comprehensive coverage. When shopping for home insurance, it's crucial to do your research. Compare quotes from different insurance providers, considering not only the price but also the coverage and customer reviews. Remember, the cheapest option may not always be the best for your needs. Lastly, don't hesitate to reach out to an insurance agent or broker. They can guide you through the process, help you understand the fine print, and ensure you have the right coverage for your home and belongings. So, whether you're a homeowner or a renter, don't underestimate the importance of home insurance. It's a vital investment that protects your property and provides peace of mind. Remember, accidents happen when we least expect them, but with the right coverage, you can rest easy knowing that your home and belongings are safeguarded. Thanks for watching this episode of your guide to home insurance. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more valuable content. As always, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.